Hi boys and girls, welcome back. We are ready for our next experiment. As you can see, my wonderful assistants are here again, Mr. Brett and Mr. Nate. Now today, look excited boys, this is an exciting one, I can't wait. We are going to be putting some Mentos into some Sprite. Now some of you might have heard about putting Mentos and like Diet Coke or Coca-Cola or just plain old Coke. But I did some research and it turns out that you get a bigger like spray of like craziness if you use Sprite. So we are going to try it with Sprite today. You only need two ingredients for this experiment. Like I said, a 2 liter of Sprite and a package of Mentos. Alrighty, let's do this. All right, boys and girls. So as you can see, Mr. Brett has taken the top, the little lid off of our Sprite, and it's sitting out on the grass and it's on a level piece of land, so we know it's not going to fall over. So you'll notice that we are outside, and we are outside because this is going to make a huge mess. It's going to be insane, but it's going to be fun. So check out our pop there, sitting upright on flat land. Lid is off and we are outside so we can be safe and not ruin our houses. All right, boys and girls, so the next step of our experiment is taping together all of our Mentos. We want all of these little mints to drop into our pop all at the same time. So I am going to use some tape. You could get your parents' help and possibly use some like a hot glue gun. That might also work, but we're gonna try it with tape today because we don't have a hot glue gun here. And we make the best of every situation. And if it doesn't work, we will just try something else because at Maine Elementary, we are problem solvers. So let's have a little fun fact interview time. Nate, are you excited for our experiment today?
I am.
Why are you excited?
I want to see it pop explode.
Yeah, that would be really cool.
It is cool.
So Nate, all of these kiddos that are going to be watching this video, they are Maine Beavers. That is our mascot at our school. Can you tell them what your mascot is at your school?
We are the Mustangs.
Yes, they're the Mustangs. And fun fact, I used to be a Mustang before I became a Maine Beaver.
Thunder is the name of the mascot.
Yes, our mascot's name is Thunder. So I am just making kind of like a little tube, I guess, of the Mentos. And we will just drop this into the pop. So let's go ahead and make an explosion. Okay, boys and girls, here we go. So Mr. Brett, before he drops in, let's zoom in and see what he has. He has the Mentos in that tape. Very nice. And when I tell him, he will drop it into the pop. Now, as soon as he drops it into that pop, he is going to back away very, very quickly because we want to stay healthy, clean, and safe while we are doing our science experiment. All right, Mr. Brett, are you ready?
Yep.
Go ahead whenever you're ready. Wow!
So anticlimactic.
Yay! How fun, and look, it is still going. Super cool.
Wow.
That was so
And
fun.